Welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Emzini from the 11th to the 15th of May 2026 on Monday. Uzakhele panics over Panyaza's imminent release and scrambled to stop it though through bribery, while also handing Shaka a 20% stake in Emzini to secure a tense business truce. On Tuesday, Duduzile dreams of life with Panyaza after prison, unaware of the forces plotting against him. Shaka warns Panyaza that Emzini is off limits on Wednesday. Panyaza discovers a plot to keep him imprisoned but quickly turns the table, recruiting Duduzile for funding and outbidding Zakes to secure his safety inside on Thursday. Duduzile bribes Zakes with 600,000 to safeguard Panyaza, but Duma insists the prison attack forced or proceed that night. Emzini reopened under Shaka, cementing his authority and intensifying family power struggles. On Friday, Panyaza's protection deal shatters when Zakes betray him, leading to a deadly prison ambush that forces Panyaza to defend himself, landing him in a solitary confinement. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.